And can I supercharge that for your next presentation?
Yeah.
Every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, every 7th slide, I want you to put your mobile number on there. Now we can add a clever joke. Hey, you can call me J Money or whatever, however you want to joke around with it. This is my mobile. Okay? My family says I need friends. I nerd out on insurance. Hi! Did we just become best friends? Yes. This is my mobile. 720, then speak it. 720-660-3202. Why would you want to do that? You're like, oh, I don't want people to call me. Hell yeah, you want people to call you. You want the business, right? You're like, well, then my number's out there. Your number's already out there. The car extended warranty people already have it. Okay, you want the business. Here's what I have learned over many years, and literally, it's not a joke with me. I lay in bed at night thinking about this stuff, so you guys don't have to. Here's what I've learned as somebody who's given hundreds, if not thousands, of presentations to people, of groups of over 300 people. Of a group of over 300 people, typically about 30 will come up after the session. Immediately, 15 to 20, gone. Because they gotta pee, they're hungry, or they wanna catch an Uber before everybody else to the airport. So they're gone. Now you got 10 left. Okay, out of those 10, it always just happens. The talky talk, oh my God, orange tie, did you go to Tennessee? No, I didn't go to Tennessee. God, I love Peyton Manning. Right now, all of a sudden you're talking about Peyton Manning. The others listening are like, I don't have time for this conversation. I'm out. And you can typically make a conversation with 2. Okay, let's say you could connect with all 30 of those people that come up to you, which you can't. Okay, unless you're just like a blackjack dealer giving out your card. For those 30, I'm going to tell you this, times that number by 4. Okay, here's what I mean. A number of people that come up to you after a presentation, there was 400% more that are uncomfortable, that are introverts, that don't want to walk up to a stranger, that don't want to do it in front of other people, that are hungry, that are worried about catching their flight. And if you put your damn mobile number on every 7th slide, guess what? And this is why you do it every 7th slide. Sometimes people gots to pee and leave the room early. Sometimes people's gots a flight and leave the room early. Sometimes people peak interest. Man, I love that. I want to talk to him about that. And then lose interest. Peak interest, and then their kid calls and goes, the cat ate a mouse. Oh my God, lost interest. Which is why you want your damn mobile number on every 7th slide, because they write it down. And invite them. Please write it down. Hi, look at them. Did we just become friends? Yes, we did. Here's my mobile, 720-660-3202. Now, I am telling you like never, it's raining Leeds. Hallelujah, it's raining Leeds. You do that in front of 300 people, you will get leads, and a crap ton more leads. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.